All right, so now I'm gonna show you how to use Changenow on your phone, on your Safari, or if you have Chrome. This is should be the page you should be seeing. That it also have Changenow.io at the bottom of the screen. So whatever coin that you have and you want to exchange it for something else, for a different coin, that must be the coin up on top where it says you send, and the one that you're gonna get is what you want to exchange it for, whatever coin it is. So in my case, I'm gonna exchange USDT. I have TRC20, and I'm gonna exchange it for some Tron. As sometimes we always need gas fees when coming to using the TRC20. So it should be a good example. So now I'm gonna just do same $10. I'm gonna just about just $10, and from here, as you can see, I'm getting 106 Tron, and I'm gonna click on exchange. And now once you click on exchange, it takes you with another page that where you have to paste your receiving address for your Tron. So always remember, whichever coin that you have and you want to exchange it for it, that's the receiving address you need to put where it says recipient wallet. So I'm gonna come out of here. I'm gonna go to my Trust wallet, click on Tron, receive, copy, paste, click next. I understand. Confirm. And now here we're gonna copy your TRC20 address, because this is the address they're gonna use to send it to the Changenow site. Click on it says copy. Go back to Trust Wallet, or go back to your wallet, whichever wallet it is, and you click on send, paste, 10, or let's say $11. That should be $10. If you also want to confirm, it says 10. Okay, so it's 10. Click done, next. Okay, so the fee for the Tron, for the TRX, is only 27 Tron, which is not too bad. This equals to $2.24. And once that is sent, you see now it's the balance now is dropped down to 30. You'll go back to the site. Now at the site here is where you'll scroll down, and you'll also see it should be showing up here where it says awaiting deposit, and then confirm, and then exchange, and it's sent to you. So it will take a few little minutes. Hopefully in this case it shouldn't take too long. And again, but in the meantime, you can always just like read through some of the terms and agreements, and if you want the receipt be sent to your email, you can always put in your email address here, and so leave your email if you'd like to be notified when the exchange is complete. Okay, some folks could do that, some folks like to do that, and it's all optional. And also, of course, as you can see, there's support here as well in case if you don't see your funds happen to arrive in your wallet as yet. And we are still waiting. And let me see what else. Then it has the, of course, your address you to copy, and you have a transaction ID that's up on top. And enter the exchange details, confirm, all that's already ticked off. Please send the funds you would like to exchange, which is this one here. I should be able to go through a little more faster. And while we are here just patiently waiting for all of the confirmations here to go through, while you are waiting for the exchange complete, you can share your experience of using Changenow in our community chat. We're not gonna do that right now. We'll do it another time. So while we're still here just waiting, let's see. I think they do have a Telegram page as well too, if those for folks who are interested, because you can see they are from Twitter, Telegram, so Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, whichever one that could help you to understand a little bit more about the Changenow site. That helps a lot of folks to exchange their coins to whatever coin that you may wish to have, as long as it is listed on the site. Perfect. So now, as you can see here, it's all being confirmed now. Says awaiting deposit, confirming, exchanging. Now once exchanging, waiting for it to say sending to you. Sometimes it do even goes through while it's even saying exchanging. We could take a look and see. Let's take a quick look. Go try it. See, it's already arrived already. No, that was kind of quick, right? It didn't take too long, I hope. And you go back to it's exchanging. See, now it's exchanging, it's sending to you, and you already receive it already. So which isn't too bad. So I hope this video was very helpful. And of course, if you have any questions, feel free. I'm always here. Thank you guys and enjoy. Now let's continue.